Having the Froebel Short Courses training behind us, it's really empowered us to do what we know is right for children. The staff here at the centre are so well experienced, and the work that was going on here before I started was already really child-centred, but it's given us a shared common language, and it's helped us from baby room right the way through to our 3 and 4-year-olds.
There were some things that we knew were right, but we couldn't articulate why. So I feel the Froebelian short courses have actually allowed us to articulate to other people the importance of what we do and why we do it, why we're not rushing children. And I think that it's given us the confidence to trust the process, to articulate ourselves if we ever need to express and explain why we do what we do. And just having the confidence to know that it's right, what we're doing is right.
I've been working in early years for most of my career, and I've always been really interested in a whole child approach to their learning and their care and education. And a couple of years ago I started researching more around the Froebelian approach, and it just really resonated with me. And then when I came here, the centre already had a very similar ethos to the Froebelian approach, but felt it would be a great opportunity to embark on some further training and some further reading with the team. The short courses have just been a fantastic opportunity. I would say the best professional development I've had in my career, and I think that is because of the way they're led so well with 2 practitioners, and they're so practical. So it's a really good balance of having a go at some of the activities and experiences that we want to offer the children, but also then that really deep theory behind it, and that time to really converse with the colleagues that you're on training with and just get deeper and see how everything links.
So it was really interesting to listen to other people's experiences, but more than anything it was just excitement, and you could feel it. Everyone left feeling inspired. There wasn't one person that wasn't. So everyone felt enlightened, inspired and enthused to take it back to their settings, and then by the time we'd come back for the next session, the next short course, we were able to reflect upon that as well and how it looked in the different settings, and gain an insight into different ideas and suggestions again.
One of the things that the courses have enabled me to do as a leader is to really use those Froebelian principles as a leader of a large team as well, not just with the children. So, for example, where we offer children freedom with guidance, that would be the same for the staff as well. If they have an idea that they want to work on in their area at the centre, we give them the freedom to do that, but I may point them in the direction of something on the Froebel website, like a webinar or a piece of research that would help them with that.
I don't think you'll ever look back. I feel I've got a thirst for more, which is why I've embarked on further training. More than anything, I've gained a sense of belonging as well, because I think sometimes in education you can be pulled in all different types of direction. And I feel that there's the belonging for not just the children, but as an educator as well. The short courses, especially in Froebel training, people are beginning to talk about it. There seems to be a real buzz. I think everyone's now given it time. The settings that have implemented the occupations or freedom of guidance or anything that they've taken away from the short courses, they're starting to see the positive effects and how the confidence and the staff well-being and children's well-being. So I feel that everyone's beginning to talk about it and they're getting excited.
It's really changed the way I deliver training to my team as well, because I've tried to emulate some of the things that they do. It's helped us to communicate better and to share our thoughts and ideas. But yeah, that's all come from the training on the day and the way that training is delivered and the way it's so practical and interactive.